Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a simple color code so every stick has a purpose. This reduces decision time as you read. Choose 3-5 colors for main idea, questions, and examples, and keep the pad and pen within reach. As soon as you open the book, mark the title, thesis, and headers to anchor your focus. Doing this first organizes the rest of your session and makes it easy to spot structure. Once done, move forward with confidence and a clear system. You now read actively. For each paragraph, decide if it's a main idea, question, or example, then write 1 to 3 words on the sticky to label it. Place the note at the edge or corner so it doesn't cover text, keeping any overlap under 0. 5-inch to preserve readability. Use arrows or numbers to show sequence or priority. This helps when you review. Make sure to pause after each section and summarize aloud so your labels reflect understanding, not just copying. You finish by reviewing all stickies and transferring the top 5 to 10 onto a summary page. This turns ephemeral notes into lasting review material. Photograph or create a quick index of each sticky's page and color to find things fast later. If the book looks cluttered, make sure to reassign colors for clarity and remove duplicates. This fixes overlap and reduces noise. If stickies fall off, switch to a stronger adhesive or place them slightly under the page edge to secure them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.